Amager Bakke converts waste into energy and cleans the flue gases afterwards. In fact, Amager Bakke is designed with an advanced flue gas cleaning system. First, dust particles are removed from the flue gas. Then harmful nitrogen oxides NOx is neutralized using ammonia. A so-called scrubber removes hydrogen chloride, mercury and other unwanted substances, while another scrubber removes sulfur dioxide and harmful particles using lime. In the third scrubber, activated carbon is added to remove dioxins and mercury. The final cleaning stage is a wet dust filter which removes the remaining traces of dust. Before the cleaned flue gas is released through the stack, it passes a measuring station that continuously monitors its contents. After cleaning, the emissions consists mainly of water vapor and contain significantly fewer harmful substances.